How to add birthday on Google Calendar app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you how can you add birthday on Google Calendar app. To add birthday on Google Calendar app, you just have to follow the steps. So first of all, what you want to do is make sure to add contacts. So you want to go to Google Contacts. Make sure that you've already installed it. So then click the add or plus button from the bottom of the page. After which you could go ahead and add a name as well, or else just click on add birthday, 16th of March. And once you've done it so, click the OK button and then click the save icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Once you do it so, exit out of this page and then open up your Google Calendar. So here it is. So when you open up the Google Calendar app, and then here you could go ahead and find out on the 16th that we've added a birthday. So you just want to make sure to locate it so, and that's the way you could go ahead and add it so. And you could also go ahead and type in event and add a title as well from here as well. So you could go ahead and click on save, and then you could see this is how you could go ahead and add a birthday on Google Calendar. So same thing, you just have to make sure to enter in all of that, and you just have to make sure to do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.